In this video, I'll explain you how to create self-evaluation form. First, you need to click Add on Coffee Form and then Load Form Template. You can search self-evaluation form. After you found it, click Load Selected Template, and you can check the dashboard, responses, question, also the settings. After you refresh the page, click Coffee Form and then click Get Link. Just click the Continue tab and then choose your account. And then click Advanced and then go to Coffee Form and just click Allow. After you get the link like this, just copy it and paste it into your search engine. And now the form is ready to use. You can also custom your form back to your Google spreadsheet, and then for example in the question type, I want to insert a new row, and for example I use date, and the question is date 2, like date of birth. So the audience can pick the date of birth easily from the calendar like this. Also you can change it. For example, I use radio button and change into gender, for example, and don't forget to fill the option 2, for example male or female. So it will show like this. You can also delete the row like this if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear instantly. You can also edit the background color of your form in the setting, so it will change. Also you can give a new style for your title. For example, I use mark behavior, just following the step. Alternate and then scroll amount. For example, I use 25. Also don't forget to close the code. So the title is now moving. Thank you.